Now we are on to the next award, the Crown Group Business Leader. The Business Leader Award recognises the positive contribution made to business by business people and professionals. I'd now like to invite Mr. Indy Hadler of Crown Group to make the announcement. Crown is one of Australia's largest private successful residential developers with a pipeline in excess of $4.5 billion.
To Gina Field from Nepean Region Security.
Gina Field has held her own security company in Western Sydney for the past 18 years, growing Nepean Regional Security into one of the most awarded and recognised in New South Wales. And Gina also enjoys giving her time to the Penrith community as the President of the Penrith Valley Chamber of Commerce.
What do you say? Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Crown Group. I'd like to thank all of the sponsors tonight and I really want you to have a look at who has sponsored tonight, because without them digging deep and believing in small business and believing in Wasabi, tonight's like this wouldn't be able to celebrate small business and business leaders like we are. I'd like to ditto everything that Gladys said, so that's just cut my speech by about 25 minutes. We are fantastic. And look, I just want to congratulate everybody in this category. I might be up here holding this, but I just want to celebrate all of the finalists in the room, because I may have written something a little bit different or maybe ticked another box, but we are all fantastic and we're all winners here tonight. So thank you.